morning student. Today we will start the first experiment to identify the presence of functional group in given organic compound. Now you can see that this is the given organic compound. Whether this compound may be alcohol, phenol, aldehyde, ketone or may be carboxylic acid, we will confirm it with the help of testing. Now first we will do the test for unsaturation. In this we will take the organic compound in 2 ml water and we will add the KMnO4 solution. If the pink color is discharged, then unsaturation is present, and pink color is not discharged, then unsaturation is absent. Now you can see that this is the test tube. This is the given organic compound and we will add KMnO4 solution to this. But first of all, we will mix it and now we will add KMnO4 solution. You can see that pink color of KMnO4 is not discharged. That means there is no unsaturation is present in the given organic compound. Now next we will do the test for alcohols. Iodoform test. For doing iodoform test, we will take the organic compound, we will add NaOH solution and then solid iodine. If there is a yellow precipitate, then alcohol group is present. We will confirm it with the help of testing. First of all, we will take again organic compound. Its solution by adding water. We will add sodium hydroxide solution. And now we will add solid iodine with the help of spatula. You can see that there is only yellow color but no yellow precipitate. There is no yellow precipitate. See carefully. That means alcohol group is absent. Next, we will proceed for the litmus test. We will take 1 ml solution and add blue litmus. If the blue litmus turns red, then either phenolic or carboxylic acid group may be present. Again we will take organic compound. For making solution, we will add water. Now this is the blue litmus solution. By adding blue litmus solution, there is red color in the compound. You can see there is a red color. That means either phenolic or carboxylic acid group may be present. Now we will do the confirmatory test for phenolic or carboxylic acid. Next test is sodium bicarbonate test. In sodium bicarbonate test, what we will do? We will take organic compound solution and we will add a pinch of sodium bicarbonate. If there is a brisk effervescence in the solution, that means carboxylic acid group is confirmed. organic compound by adding water. Now we will add the sodium bicarbonate with the help of spatula. See carefully, there is a effervescence in the solution. That means carboxylic acid group is confirmed. Now given organic compound is carboxylic acid. Okay, thank you.